Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best running shoes that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Looking for a race day running shoe that's ultralight, insanely fast, and built for personal bests? Many running shoes feel heavy, lack energy return, or slow you down during long distance races. If you want explosive speed with comfort for marathon pace, this might be the upgrade you need. Meet the Adidas men's Adizero Adios Pro 4 in silver metallic/lucid red/gray, a premium carbon racing shoe designed for speed, efficiency, and elite level performance. Lightweight racing design for maximum speed. Responsive midsole with high energy return. Rubber outsole for grip on road surfaces. Breathable polyester upper for comfort. Lace-up closure for secure fit. Water-resistant build for light wet conditions. Carbon racing geometry for forward propulsion. Designed for marathon and tempo runs. Pros: extremely lightweight and fast. Great energy return for long races. Comfortable breathable upper. Excellent traction. Cons: not ideal for daily training. Premium racing shoe durability. Can feel stiff for casual runners. Perfect for marathon runners. Speed training athletes. Race day performance seekers. Lightweight shoe lovers. Competitive runners chasing PBs. Not ideal for beginners or everyday walking. At $100, this is a strong value for a high-performance racing shoe, especially if you're looking for elite-level speed without paying full flagship price. Number 2. The Adidas Adizero Evo SL Woven is a lightweight running shoe designed for speed, comfort, and easy pull-on convenience. Lightweight Adizero performance design. Woven upper for breathable comfort. Pull-on closure for quick wear. Rubber outsole for reliable traction. Flexible construction for natural movement. Cushioned midsole for responsive feel. Sleek low-profile running silhouette. Suitable for training and daily runs. Durable outsole for road running. Pros: very lightweight and comfortable. Easy slip-on pull-on design. Breathable woven upper. Good grip from rubber outsole. Cons: less lockdown than lace-up shoes. Not ideal for aggressive racing. Limited support for overpronation. Best for daily runners. Gym workouts. Lightweight shoe lovers. Casual athletes. Travel-friendly running shoes. Not ideal for marathon racing or heavy stability needs. At $149.95, it's a solid value for a lightweight Adidas Adizero shoe with comfort-focused performance and easy everyday usability. Number 3. The Mizuno Neo Vista 2 is a premium performance running shoe built for speed, cushioning, and smooth daily training. Lightweight nylon upper for breathable comfort. Responsive cushioned midsole for energy return. Rubber outsole for durable traction. Lace-up closure for secure lockdown fit. Rocker-style geometry for smooth transitions. High-stack cushioning for long-distance runs. Stable platform for tempo and training. Lightweight yet protective design. Designed for road running performance. Pros: excellent cushioning for long runs. Smooth and responsive ride. Lightweight for its stack height. Comfortable breathable upper. Cons: expensive compared to trainers. Not ideal for casual walking. May feel tall for some runners. Best for long-distance runners. Daily training athletes. Tempo run lovers. Neutral runners. Comfort plus performance seekers. Not ideal for beginners wanting budget shoes or stability runners. At $200, the Mizuno Neo Vista 2 sits in the premium category, but it delivers high-end cushioning, smooth performance, and versatility, making it a strong value for serious runners who want one shoe for training and speed. Number 4. The ASICS SUPERBLAST 2 is a high-stack performance running shoe designed for lightweight cushioning, speed, and long-distance comfort. Lightweight high-stack cushioning for long runs. Polyurethane, PU, upper for durability and structure. Breathable polyester inner lining for comfort. Rubber outsole for reliable traction. Responsive foam for energy return. Rocker geometry for smooth heel-to-toe transition. Versatile design for training and tempo runs. Lightweight despite thick cushioning. Unisex fit for wide range of runners. Pros. Extremely cushioned yet lightweight. Smooth and bouncy ride. Great for long-distance training. Versatile for daily and tempo runs. Cons. High stack may feel unstable for some. Premium style design not for everyone. Limited stability support. Best for long-distance runners. Daily training runners. Neutral runners. Cushioning lovers. Marathon training athletes. Not ideal for stability runners or those wanting low-profile shoes. At $149.95, the SUPERBLAST 2 offers excellent value, delivering premium cushioning, lightweight performance, and versatility at a lower price than many high-end super trainers. Number 5. The New Balance FuelCell Rebel V4 is a lightweight, responsive running shoe built for speed, daily training, and versatile performance. FuelCell midsole for energetic, bouncy ride. Lightweight 100% synthetic upper. Breathable design for all-day comfort. Rubber outsole for reliable traction. Flexible forefoot for natural movement. Low-weight build for faster runs. Sleek performance-oriented design. Comfortable cushioning for daily training. Suitable for tempo and short-distance runs. Pros. Very lightweight and fast feel. Responsive fuel cell cushioning. Comfortable breathable upper. Great for speed workouts. Cons. Less support for long-distance runs. Not ideal for overpronation. Cushioning may feel soft for some runners. Best for speed workouts. Daily training runners. Lightweight shoe lovers. Short to mid-distance runners. Neutral runners. Not ideal for marathon-only runners needing max cushioning. At $132.12, the FuelCell Rebel V4 offers excellent value, combining lightweight speed, responsive cushioning, and versatility at a competitive price. Check the link in the description to see the latest price and availability. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more running shoe reviews.